waiting for? Just go and like and subscribe to my channel. So if you had missed any of our topic, just go and see my previous videos and share with your friends. So in today's class, we are going to learn about lists. So lists are going to be like that. Whenever we go to a shopping, we make certain list. So afterwards, how we will figure out that this will be an order list or this will be an unordered list. So all the thing we will write a code inside it. Then the next part going to be like that. That how we will put over there the HTML classes. So class will be a different sections, the dividing over there. So all the thing I will cover in this topic. And what are the classes in a layman term? So if you know about it, just write in a comment box. Stay tuned to see my further video. Hey guys, so in today's session, I'm going to tell you about a list and how we will make over there are classes. So for that, I'm just sharing my screen and I click on create replet. So I'm just making over there a project that will be my trip. So I will tell you how we will make over there order list, unordered list, and how we will just identify. So that's going to be show over there some bullets. So instead of hello world, I'm writing over there heading that will be H2. I'm just putting over there trip description. Then afterwards, I'm just writing over there unordered list that will be UL. And how we could make over there a black circle and all that. If we are going over there some grocery shop, we needed to add an up over there some different stuff. So same way it's going to be modified. So for going to a trip, we should first of all we should having over there tickets. The leave should be having. First of all, we have to apply leave. Then I have to just keep in mind that with whom we are traveling, how many days, for how many days we are going. And where we are going. So we will do the survey where we will go. We will check where we want to go. According to that, we will just finalize our tickets and we will just pack up all our stuff. So we will put over there our proofs. So then I click on run to see our list. So like this. So now come over there, ordered list. So ordered list will be over there at a step by step the number of the defaults I'm having. So in an order list, I'm just writing over there. First of all, I'm putting over there. What should I? Grocery. Then I'm putting over there a list that will be OL, order list, and then I'm putting over there list LI. I needed water bottle. And we need some snacks. Some headphones and all that. Gadgets. Games. Like what games we are going to play with our friends. Interaction topic. No, not an interaction topic. Just adding up over there some of the more eatables, like any of the eatables, just random things. You could just identify that how you will make over their order list. So then come over their description. If we are making over there a description, for example, I am making over there a coffee. So in coffee, whatever we will just prefer it. Suppose at your home somebody has arrived. So that will be a detailed list. I'm using over there DL. First of all, I'm just writing over there a heading H2. That will be detailed. Wait, spelling's wrong. So sorry.
J love coffee. Yeah. So I'm writing over there DL. Then I'm pressing over there DT. DT will be a define a term in a description list. So I'm typing over there. Suppose I'm having coffee topic. So then I put over there DD. That will be a description of the particular term that somebody's like over there black hot drink. Same way if I put over there now DD. So we need milk to put it inside. Then I need over there DD. That will be other person like over there white cold drink. So it's up to us, it's up to their taste. And I click on run. So you could see over there a difference between all of the list. So if I'm just talking about this coffee, so it's highlighted over here and the description go down. Highlighted over here and description go down. Like we just manually do it. So the next come over here that going to be the classes. Like how we could just divide over there different classes. Classes will be after the head, I will write over there. The style will be like different colors and all that. It's going to become inside a style. So for that, I'm just writing over there dot cp. I'm putting over there background color. Background color I'm using over there tomato. And the color I'm putting over there. I'm putting over there white. Using over there semicolon. Then I'm putting over there borders. So borders will be like we have done in a last sessions, I guess. So I'm just putting over there a black border. You could just use over there any border, and this will be a 2 pixel. So you could put over there any of the pixel according to your wish, and then come to a margin. Then the padding. So you could put over there the margin and padding a seam. Then I click on run. Then we had closed over their style, then come over their body. So after body, I'm just writing over there heading. That will be H2. I'm using over there H2 heading. So before using the H2, I want a div class. So div class equal city. So I had declared it now city over there. Then I'm putting over there H2. H2 will be a second heading. So I'm just writing about London. Then I put over there paragraph, a basic paragraph. We used it earlier in a starting of it that how we will write over there paragraph and all that. So I'm just writing over there capital of England. So then I click on run so that you could just identify. Yeah, see over there that how it's going to be a border at a corner. So I want to change the color of a border. Like I want to put blue wallet. So you could see over there a difference now. So at a corner, it's a blue wall. So if you like a black, you could choose that. If you write different one, you could choose that. Yeah, here we go. So if we have done over there paragraph and heading and all that, so we will do over there div also, we will close it. At division, we will close it. Then same way we will make over there a next section. Like I am just writing over there, just copying this thing and pasting over here at 25th line. Instead of London, I am writing over there Tokyo. I have to copy this also. Like this will be a city now. Yeah. So instead of this paragraph, I will just write over there about a Tokyo. T I could put over there capital. It's up to you. You want to put it into the any way. Capital of Japan. Yeah, here we go. So you got over there a difference over there that how we will make it the things. So same way you could add in a Paris and all that, all the stuff. That's all about it. If you face any issue, just write a comment in a comment section. I will try to solve all your queries. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends.